Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this smart PTZ indoor camera, and basically we'll do the unboxing and we'll do the installations, and then I'll give you my thought on the camera itself and see how everything goes. All right, so let's start with the unboxing. Basically, it says 2 ways audio, motion detection, warning and playback, night visions, panoramic view, and Wi-Fi connections, cloud storage, activity zones, and that's much it. So, let's see. What we have inside is the instructions. This is the MubView, and I guess the model number is PK320. It's more like a quick guide for us as far as warranty service, things for shopping, and trust. We've been optimizing our products and improve our lifetime customer service to offer you a better experience. It says right here we registered with the QR code, and then it will get like 3 years of service. And here just going over how to connect the camera to your network and so on. Then on the back it has more information and some FAQs. And then inside, covers the camera itself. Come with 2 screws and this. So I think maybe this we're gonna anchor it on something, on a base like this. All right. Then it has the power brick. Travel charger. Right, there we go. So that's what we have as far as for the camera. Okay, so I just finished with the installation, and by following the user's guide, it's very straightforward. Basically, here the first thing you need to do is to account registration. So I myself, this is my first time with MubView, so I created an account with the email address, and then that's all it needs. And then you gotta, like user, you gotta accept to all of the users' requirement from them. And then you connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network, right? So, and then you put in your Wi-Fi username and then the password. And then connecting to the app, it's from here, it's just pretty much you follow these steps and you'll be fine, right? So add a device. Oh, one thing that I didn't know. So it tells you to look for hit a reset button and wait for 5 seconds. But I looked up and down, inside out. I couldn't find the reset button. And I had to go back to the manual because the reset button, you gotta lift this thing up. It's actually underneath here, all the way in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a reset button in there, underneath there, and also there's a place for us to put a micro SD card, which is good because this camera, even though with the basic version, it does have 7 days of cloud storage, but with the access of the micro USD card, you can place a 32 gigabyte in there, and then it will store it, the data locally. But then, and after that, it tells you to hit the reset button and then wait for 5 seconds, and then you check for your connected to your own Wi-Fi network, wait for the power, hit the reset button, input the password, and once it connects to your Wi-Fi network, it's gonna ask, on the screen of your phone, it'll pop up like it. Every step has a prompt to it, and so they'll ask you to scan. It'll populate a QR code from your phone, and you just use the camera to scan it, and then you're pretty much set and you're done. Right, so now we're gonna see the actual footage of the camera itself and how I'm gonna navigate PTZ, pan to zoom, and back and forth in my kitchen, and that way we can see how it is. But all right, assuming that you set it up already with the created account, right? So, and you hit play. Right now, I'm in my my front yard, so you can see trees right there. You can take a screenshot. Right. For first, it wanted you to allow full access. That way you can save into the. Right now, I'm using the iPad. So you can take the screenshot. You can record it. Remotely. You can turn on and off. And you can set the motion detections. Right. And here it depends on how sensitive you want it to be, low, medium, or high, right? And the interval 1 minute, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, up to you. I just usually leave it at the mediums. Would be good there. And history, so we probably might not have any history, or we do. Okay, so this is the one that I recorded earlier. I did this morning about 4 o'clock. Because the placement of it doesn't give you a lot of leeway. Like, the data I wasn't able to edit it and upload it. The placement of the micro SD cards could have been. Yeah, let's see what we can show. The device sorting is me, the messages. So messages, this is the alert. When it detects something, it'll send you an alert right here. And as you can see, these are all the alerts from this morning, like I said. So for some that I did in the house, right? So, and when you want to go to live, you just hit on the play button, and then you go to live. And here we can go to the settings. So you can pretty much zoom, pan to zoom. So basically you can move it up. Right. Up. You can go down. You can go move it to the left. Yeah. There you go. It's very sensitive. Right. And you could click on the settings. And this shows you everything about the camera here. You can click on the camera itself, and it shows you all of the signal strength, the network you connect to, your device name. The device name, you can click on it and you can name it something you like. So in this case, maybe you want a baby monitor, right? Baby monitor, right? So you do that. And then it tells you the time zone and stuff. And the image settings, so it depends. If you have it set like hanging, then you might want to do a flip screen, but if not, just back there. For the night vision mode, I just have it on auto here, but you can pick like the different ones you like. For like the day mode, it says the camera will only stream in color. This mode is not suitable for use at night without lighting. So it's better to do the night mode, but it's black and white. and installation guide local, time settings. So all this pretty much is self-explanatory. Sound settings again, your voice, your speakers, volumes, video encryption. So this is where if you want to set a password and where no one else can go back and review your footage, then you would want to do this one, set up your password yourself. But in my case, I don't need to. Going down all this, this one is gonna do like auto corrections. It will by 30 seconds, and privacy's lens on, lens off, schedule, AI intelligence. So this one you would have to buy to use all these features like people, pet, and stuff like that. All right, so we're gonna check it out to see how much it is. For AI intelligence, it's $1.49 a month. All right, so and it detects pets, car, and people. Not bad. Cloud storage service. Here, this one does come with the 7 days, 6 second storage for free. But however, you can opt to choose their plan. $2.99 a month, and if you want it with the AI Plus, $3.99 a month. And if you want like the continuous cloud storage, $14.99. Overall, yeah, that's pretty much it. So far, you can see this is. I have it on auto. We can set it on Quad HD. Right now it's really sunny in California, so that's why you're seeing like that. Let me see if I can pan to the left-hand side a little bit here. That's my longing tree. So yeah, it's really nice, really neat. And then click on the clouds, as you can see. That's me. Morning. Right. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Overall, the installations is very easy, very straightforward, and the instruction is spot on. The quality is good. The two-way communication is good. Pretty much just like any other cameras that I have reviewed before. The only thing that I can suggest is like the placement of the micro SD card, because it's kind of hard for me to put in. It took me a while to actually install it inside the device, but other than that, it is small enough, very, you know, you can place this pretty much by your bedside, you know, wherever you feel like you need like to monitor some, right? And I'll list all the information in the description, such as in case if you want to make a purchase for yourself. Once again, if you do decide to make a purchase through the link that I provided, I do get a little bit of a small percentage from Amazon. So just to get that out there to you guys. And that's one of the ways I can help this channel. And I really appreciate if you can give a like, you know, if the video is helpful to you some way, somehow. And if you want like more content like this, you know, feel free to subscribe for more. But other than that, it's Sunday morning, so I usually wake up really early, about 3-some. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Be safe. Until next time.